Hey everyone, it's Happy Dude, and today I'm gonna show you how to do maintenance on a M41 traxxas boat. So as soon as you take it out of the water, take the lid off, then also take this off and blow on this end and also on this end, so all the water and debris is out of there. And then also take this tube off so it's easier to do maintenance, and that way it can also dry out even faster. And then take this off and loosen up these two 10mm nuts. And then we can take out the flexible shaft, then clean it off, and then clean the back of the boat. Now, if you're not going to drive the boat the same day again, then just leave it open like that so it can all dry out. And then take these two screws out. Then take the last tube off and put some lithium grease on this bearing right here. And then also do the same for the other side right here. Then put the tube back on, and then we can put the engine back into position. And then put the screws back in. Always feel by hand if it is very tight. And then put some marine grease on the flexible shaft. Also put some grease in the tube itself. When everything is well lubricated, it's time to put the flexible cable in the shaft.
That's what she said! Michael! Michael!
And then we just tighten those two 10mm nuts. Put the tubes back. And then you can clean off the boat a bit. Also, don't forget to tighten your propeller, because I already lost a very expensive metal one. The two 10mm nuts have to be very tight. Then just put the plastic back on and you're done. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more, and you all have a nice day now. Bye!